welcome to the video, and we're out on Curbar Edge, and over the past few weeks I've been looking at sunsets. I've been dabbling with them. I've not vlogged them, so I thought what I'll do, we'll come out onto Curbar Edge in the Peak District and do a vlog and see what we can get. Right, I'm not alone tonight. I'm with Mr. Miserable. He's got level 3 man flu and he's not stopped telling me about it since we've arrived. He don't like this place, he don't like anything he's seen. Yeah, it's
like an enormous outdoor toilet.
Eddie Skelson is here, and I'm hoping these views will lift him up and he'll start to get some level of excitement, because at the minute he's well down, down the pan.
Says you're a tit.
Anyway, so sunsets can be boring, they can be disaster, but if you don't come out, you don't know. You just need to come out and give it a go.
Someone else said that in his vlog. Who was that?
I don't know.
It was me, wasn't it?
Was it you? You have to give it a go, or you'll get nothing. You can sit at home and get nothing, or come out here and try and get something. Conditions tonight, it's lovely and warm. We're just at the start of a damn heat wave. That's why the plan was to come out tonight.
You say I moan.
That's not moaning, it's a heat wave. It's 26 degrees at the minute.
It's not a heat wave, it's
tomorrow,
summer.
Look, in our country,
we've got 4 days.
In the UK, this is like 50 degrees in India. Now, yeah, that's the conversion. So, the conditions for me are looking good because we've got cloud. We don't want blue sky. We've got lots of foreground interest up on Curbar Edge. Believe me, we have. He might say we haven't, but we just need to decide now where we're going to set up, what we're going to bring into a shot, see how the light develops over the next 2 hours, because we're about 2 hours away, I think, from sunset. So we've got a bit of time to walk, plan, argue, hear some more moaning, and my challenge is to get this one into a good mood. Grumpy socks. Okay, we're going to kick off with just a shot of these sun rays, nothing spectacular. Sun rays. Eddie's not worried about taking them, he just says it's rubbish. So yeah, sun rays over Curbar Village, bit of light in the sky and on the ground, just to start off the vlog. Okay, I'm playing about with this light in the distance that Eddie's not bothered about. He says it's rubbish, but I'm just doing a close-up study of this light. I'm going to crop it. I'm at 400mm, but I'm just picking out some of the detail in the landscape. I have took another shot to my right that I think Eddie's taking now, so I'll put that up while we're talking. I'm just watching him line it up, but I've already took it.
You copied my shot?
No, it's not. These rocks don't belong to you. Anyway, I'll carry on with this light over here, which appears to have disappeared now. You know, you sprayed that stuff on.
I know, it's
to get rid of, yeah, they're all around you. They're
not biting me, that's the thing.
Yeah, but they're not around me. You've got a swarm around you.
You're like a fucking bandage, that's why.
I've included the sky in mine. You see
I've
that
got
nice
sky in mine?
Some nice sky above.
Oh, you mean up?
Yeah.
Well,
you see the bank of cloud just above.
You're not, with the 2200, you're not getting the sky in, mate. Unless you go up like that, and then I lose this. The way the path bifurcates there. Is that weird then?
Yeah.
Bifurcate, yeah.
God's truth, we need to translate that.
Yeah, so what I've done is give the foreground a bit of interest.
Yeah, I'm not worried about foreground because
I know, because you're not very good.
I'm gonna process that sky so it looks dramatic.
Yeah, all you're going to do is fucking luminar it. Me, I'm using the real sky.
It'll have some drama.
Yeah.
Right, I'm thinking of moving on. Okay, I've set up just on these rocks now, and the sun's got a lot lower and it's about to break through that strip of cloud I was talking about, and it is casting light onto the landscape, and I'm just taking a few shots that include the light. So these shots just include the light as it's happening around us, and it is literally popping out. So some of these shots might be a little bit abstract because they're about the light that we can see, and a few moments later we don't see it, it's gone. Maybe not. I was just saying, yeah, I've just heard you singing, and it sounds like you've got a happy tone coming through. Maybe,
You know where I was singing?
maybe because look, the light's just breaking.
Oh, that's bright, isn't it?
It is. Get that filter back on.
Don't need a filter.
I want to know what I want to know what that is over there,
Right, what are we looking at?
straight ahead.
It's a hill. Oh, that patch of trees.
No, above that, right to the top, where it's a dark patch, to the right of the trees,
Yeah.
there's a dark patch of land, and it's like a little cliff. And there's paths and roads that go round to the right.
I don't know what you mean. Are you talking like right on top of the hill?
Yeah.
It's just hills, man.
No. Let me bring it. Let's put it on the camera.
Go on.
Let's get some science into it. I know your eyesight.
Right, so I know the bit you're looking at, yeah.
Yeah. Let's zoom in.
Yeah.
So, what is that there? What's that little
It's a quarry, isn't
valley? Is it a quarry?
it? Yeah.
Yeah, but what quarry? Because you can walk up there. Look, there's a hill. You can walk up there. There's paths there.
My guess. Right, let me think where I am. Right.
While you're thinking, I'm going to get this shot over
It's
here.
possibly the one that's at the back of Winnett's Pass. Where's Winnett's Pass from here? It's over that way, isn't it?
Winnett's Pass is quite a distance from here.
Mantor, Winnett's Pass. It's going to be over that way, like way over that way.
Beyond there.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
that makes sense to me that that would be the one that's down from that. I could be wrong, but I won't be.
There is some awesome light just coming over the hill now. The sun's broke through the clouds. It's dropped down a little and it's casting some awesome light all over this landscape, and that's what I'm taking now. And I've managed to get Eddie to swing his camera around. He was focusing on this bird of the feathered kind. That's flew off. The bird we can get any time, but this light, you've only got minutes to get this light.
Calm down.
Forget your flu's gone now.
Fluid's flown.
Your flu's flown along with that bird.
We were talking about earlier about trying to find.
Can you hear Mr. Happy in the background?
That look great.
I have done a focus stack looking this way, but now we've got some better light, I think I'm going to take it again. You just need to keep an eye what's happening in this landscape, because it's like somebody keeps turning spotlights on and off, and it changes and it looks awesome. And somebody said earlier we won't get any light, we won't get anything. Can't think who it was, somebody with me.
Finished.
Hey?
Finished moaning.
No, I'm just commenting. I never moan. I take things as they are. I'm going to do this focus stack now. How's the light doing? God, look at that down there. Quick, turn round. Copy of your book. Why have you got a book out? All right. That's a good idea. Let's have some drone footage. So we've reached that point now where the sun has gone super low. Okay, I think we're going to close the video here. We're going to carry on and just see what colour we get in the sky. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video and to the channel. Pop a comment in the bottom. You're very welcome. And we'll see you on the next one. So if anything else we take now looks good, that's coming up at the end of the video. And on that note, I'll see you later.